morning, class. Our topic today is about the TPAC model. TPAC is a technology integrations framework that identifies the three types of knowledge introductions need to combine to successful edtech integrations. We have the technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge. The areas of TPAC model are applied in the instructional process. First, we have the content knowledge or so-called CP. Content knowledge is applied in the content knowledge. If we applied if we applied it in instructional situations, you are convinced on the content offered by your references. You also use doing the then second we have the pedagogical content knowledge. After learning that not all strategies will work in every subject matter, just like how conducting experiment is very useful in sciences but not in the language related subject.
So, good morning, class. Good morning, ma'am. So, the topic that I will discuss today is about the Bloom taxonomy. So, Bloom taxonomy, comprises three learning domains. So, first, we have the cognitive, affective, and psychomotor, and assigned to each of this domain, hierarchy that correspond to different labels of terms. So, we have here six types of the revised Bloom taxonomy. First is remembering. So, what is remembering is recognizing and recalling facts. So, second is the understanding. Understanding what the fact means. So, third is apply. Applying the facts, rule, concept, and ideas. And then fourth is analyzing, breaking down information into component parts. So, the fifth is evaluating. Evaluating it is the judging the value of information or idea. So, the last is creating. So, creating it is combining parts to make a new whole. So, did you understand class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, again, what is Bloom taxonomy? With Miss Mabal. Did you understand class?
Yes,
So again, what is Bloom taxonomy? Miss Mabal.
Bloom taxonomy is to provide common language for teachers to discuss and exchange learning and assessment method.
Yes, very good. So, Miss and Tito, what are those six types of revised taxonomy?
remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating.
Yes, very good. So that's all class.
Good morning, class. Good morning. So, our topic for today is all about SEMR model. What we call is substitution, augmentation, and modification, and redefinition. So, SEMR model, it allows teachers across different disciplines, subject matters to visualize a consistent process for how technology is utilized and integrated into classroom. So we have a core components of model of SEMR model. So number is substitute components of SEMR model. So number is substitution, in which technology directly substitutes existing processes with no change. Next is augmentation, in which technology directly substitutes existing processes. And the next, modification, in which technology allows for the task to be significantly designed to suit and purpose. And the last is redefinition, in which technology allows for the development and creation of new previously impossible tasks. So, did you understand that?
Yes.
So, that's all.